Okay.
Correct?
How about negative 1?
Don't do negative.
Okay. So
But
this is given.
You are initializing it to 1.
T.
But what about if we have a, let's say, value is 12?
No, you are setting it to 1. The program you will write int a equal to 1.
Constant.
You are assigning it.
So it is not a given number.
It's not a given number, you are assigning it. It's not very difficult, it's very simple. int
That's
That's it. Now, if you were to take a character, depending on the Indianness, it will take either this one or this one, correct?
Yeah. Definitely.
What we are trying to take from there?
So, this is...
And why?
Okay.
And there should be some purpose to take the value, right? Either we are
Integer is 4 bytes, right?
Correct.
Correct? Okay. 1 byte, 2 byte, 3 byte, 4 byte. Assume this is 1 byte.
Okay.
Okay? Now, depending on the Indianness, it will be 1 will be set here or here, since it is positive. So the most significant bit will be 0.
Obviously.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, this is 1 byte, this is 1 byte, this is 1 byte, this is 1 byte.
Okay.
Now, if I wanted to get one character out of this, if I take either this one character or this one character, will I
Always
figure
from the left, always from the right side.
either from the right side or on the left side, or you take it, if you take only the first one, will you figure out? So if this one is 0, then what is it? Is it little Indian or big Indian?
It's
right?
a little Indian.
Okay. If this one was 1, then you know it is big Indian. Correct?
Right, because this is negative.
This is not negative. This is not negative.
Okay,
There is no
because
negative.
One. One is
Because
set
yes,
here.
your MSB is here.
Okay.
Sorry, your LSB is here.
Right.
Make sense?
Makes sense.
Okay. So now,
So
how will
basically,
you? Yes.
after you assign the number 1, you create a int num1.
No, you don't create anything. Now, how will you? What data structure will you use? Where you can use the num to give it 1, and then use the char on the same. It has to be on the same starting location. So all the parameters of that particular data structure will have the same starting point.
Character array.
So, I have a here confusion. When we are comparing two data types, I mean integer
Yes.
and character,
Yes.
we should make sure that if we are talking about the character, so that character gets converted into the ASCII value,
No,
and then it
no,
gets
no,
stored.
no.
Then what is the representation of the character in the 8-bit data?
Exactly. So when you are actually using, I'll get to it. When you use one particular data structure,
Yeah.
everything inside of it, it starts at the same location. Okay, I'll get to the solution actually. That will make more
the
sense.
binary representation.
So this is your memory, okay? This is your memory.
Okay.
This is one byte each block. Okay. Now I have one data structure over here. I have something over here.
This is a memory segment we can
Yes.
assume. Okay.
Everything inside of this starts at this. That's it. This is all that it gets. If you have 50 parameters over here, you have one int, one double, one char.
Is this
Everything will start here.
So you assume this is offset.
This is not an offset. Why are you getting into offset?
I am going to the RAM memory.
This is memory. What I'm trying to say is there is one, take it from me, there is one
Okay.
particular data structure where everything inside of it, I don't want to call it data structure, it's a data type. One data type where everything inside of it starts at the same memory location. It's called union.
Same address.
Same address. Everything starts here.
Okay.
So when you assign this as int, it will take 4 bytes.
Obviously.
Union.int is equal to 1, and then union.char, if it is 1, then this is MSB to this is big Indian. If your union dot cap equal to 0, then it is LSB, your LSB is 0. Make sense?
Sorry, I missed that. Union.
Okay, so this is an integer,
Okay.
correct? Your 1 is set. Now, if it is, this is LSB, only your 1 will be set here. If this was your LSB, this is the same one. This is how it would look.
So you mean
Correct?
when
Yes.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Correct? Now, when I say cap, it has to start either here or here. When I say char, it will just look at 1 byte.
Yeah.
It will look at only 1 byte. In the case of MSB being in the leftmost side, this will be 0. In case of LSB being on the leftmost side, this will be 1.
Yes. Yes.
Correct?
Yeah.
So then you can figure out, oh, it is a little Indian or big Indian.
Yeah.
Make sense, no?
Yeah, but we have a confusion between data type, integer. When you are converting from
It is
integer,
not
what is
converting.
integer?
It is
Then
not
I-
converting.
the
It is not
character.
converting. It is not converting.
Okay.
Do you have a compiler at home?
Yeah.
Write this function. We'll figure it out. So the union, what union does is it allocates, everything starts at the same memory location. It has only exact same amount of memory. You can just interpret it in a different way.
Okay.
Read up on union, you'll figure it out.
So if union.char is 1, then it is big Indian. Union.char is 0.
Is the same unit keyword available in C or
What's that?
So
Union, I think it's in C++. I think even C# has union. C# has union. I don't know about Java though. I don't know about Java.
C# don't have union.
C sharp.
If it is union, then it might be a link. I mean, it's not like an operator in the union.
Okay.
C#.
So
No.
that's why I mean it is.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no. I don't know.
Yeah, C sharp doesn't have.
Doesn't have?
No.
No, it says link you. In link you it has.
Huh?
It has.
It has?
Link might be different
Link may have for the union of the two. Yeah, but you can't
Oh,
use it as a
links union is different.
Yeah.
No. Oh, link you.
This is a different. This is a function. We are talking about the operator.
One keyword. That's
Keyword or operator.
Data type.
Data type. Keyword basically. That's the function. So what is it doing?
My union dot integer equal to 1. So you are assigning the integer as 1,
My union.
and then you will return my union dot the character.
Then how can you define a structure within a function? Is it possible?
Yeah.
We can define a design.
It will deallocate memory as soon as the function is executed.
Oh yes, we can do it like a data type. Yes.
चलो अच्छी बात
अरे ध्रुव हिल गया दिख रहा है बोर्ड दिख रहा है हिल तो नहीं गया
Yeah.
Another structure and class.
The question here is,
इसको नाम बनना
I
चाहिए
thought giving number is
Okay.
ये
ये क्वेश्चन तब पूछा जाता है जिस बंदे को देना नहीं होगा उसको पता होगा
So what would be
ये पर वो बंदा को थोड़ा सा जॉब वाला चाहिए साइंटिस्ट normal
by
now.
the zero.
As normal तक
If you get a zero, it's
हाँ compile design is
So, one thing, how this character will return the previous value?
Oh, because it's one. Oh, you can always say it's a single byte, right? So if it is 1 or 0.
Anyhow, we need
Oh,
to find task there, right?
I said.
You
What
can
did you say?
assign
Equal to
them.
equal to 1.
False.
Sorry.
Equal to
Ah.
Sorry.
Oh.
Right.
Okay. Equal to?
1 or 0.
Yes.
Yeah,
Depending on what you want to return.
Yeah, you got a test case over there. That's it.
So, what's the application?
This is you are showing that you understand unions,
Okay.
you understand bits, bit manipulation,
you understand NDMs.
we understand Indianness,
Okay.
and this is an elegant way of doing it.
I will do it.
Okay, let's come to simple problems.
So only C# background people cannot create this kind of.
I'll look into it and figure one out.
Good question.
I don't.
No, so I was just looking. So C# interpretation for union is offset, something offset.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do that thing in C#. But
Offset
So
is
you
the memory
you
address
prepare a print
from where we
program
start,
and
right?
share it with some.
In native language, you can create similar data type, your derived data, and
Yeah.
then use.
I'll look into it.
But I'll
Okay. So we'll do this and
मैं
then
कहूँगा मेरे को कर दी.
is bit set. So you have given a number and a position. Okay. So let's say you are given 23 and I give you a position 5. I want to find out on the 5th position. And usually now when I say position, it will be 5th from the right. So on the 5th position, is the bit set or it's not set?
Okay. Whether that is a zero.
So how do we, yes, it's 1 or a 0.
Mhm.
So how do we go about doing this?
We can shift, right shift 5 times.
Right shift?
no, left shift.
Sorry, left shift.
Left shift.
Oh why? Right shift was correct, na?
4 times, and then we can return how we will extract the value.
So if value is
And
greater
it
than
with-
0,
And it with 1.
if value is greater than 0,
And
then it is
Okay,
set.
what value?
okay, right shift the number by 5 times,
Right shift the number 5 times. Okay.
and then and it with 1,
Okay.
and that will give you the bit is set.
Or you can simply end it to 5.
Num
Again, you will have to do right shift.
position times.
Why? If you end it to 5, just take the int and
So I think what he's talking about is mask.
num
Okay.
right shift position.
Yeah, you are shifting it 5 times, right?
Okay.
Then we will return.
Yes.
Or equal to 1.
Yes.
Num and 1 equals to 1.
Yes.
Num.
And operator.
I mean, so first statement is not correct, I believe. We need to get those values. This is the normal. I mean, do we need to assign this value to somewhere else, or it
The
will
num will
automatically-
become
So we
num
can.
is being shifted 5 times, right?
So num will become 0, right?
Num will automatically become whatever it is.
Unary
So
operator.
you write, it will drop the right value.
Another it will go to zero.
Either 0 हो जाएगा या तो 1 हो जाएगा.
Can we do a trial?
तेको वो बताना है 5 नहीं सॉरी ये मैं तो कुछ और ये तो कुछ और बताया ये सब लेवल नहीं है
So
वो
let's
ये बताया कि
start.
5 बिट सेट है
This is 23.
तीसरी चौथी 5 बिट सेट है
Let's say you want to take one,
क्या करेगा उसको
2, 3,
राइट शिफ्ट करेगा
third one.
Okay.
तो वो
Third
5
position.
बिट
Third position.
राइट शिफ्ट करेगा तो क्या आएगा बता
So you will shift by 1, this will go away,
This one
shift by 2,
will go
this will go away, shift by 3, it will come to here,
Yes.
and then you are making it 1,
सॉरी 4 बार
And with one?
1 2
1,
4 बार राइट
so it is
शिफ्ट
set.
Okay.
If it is not, then it's not set.
ठीक है ये हो जाएगा
So we will be doing position minus 1.
Yep.
1 और इक्वल टू 1 है कि नहीं, तो वो रिटर्न करता है, वो ये रिटर्न नंबर एंड
There is one more way to do this.
पोजीशन
That and then we take a
यूनिट आरसी रहता है
Position minus 1. हाँ यार.
You are doing num and mask?
Wait, what?
So what you did, return num and mask?
Num and 1.
No, below.
Num and mask. Yes.
What is that?
This is
वही देता
something called as mask.
है। अच्छा 1 को
So what you do is you actually create another number. So here we have, we create another number where we get something like this,
इसमें हमें इसे दूसरे के
and then we add it so that we are looking only at
हमें
this.
ये वाला चेक करना है, तो हमने
Right.
कोड नंबर बनाया जो हमारा ये था,
And
ये कोड नंबर
if this is
इसको हमने
greater than 1
Yeah, that's
or
what I
greater than 0,
Greater than 0. It
Then-
means it is set.
yeah, then it is set. Otherwise, it's not.
That's what I was
एंड
thinking.
कर दो
Yeah, yeah. I
So
agree.
in case if you
नंबर और
only need
रिटर्न नंबर एंड
to
मार्क्स
set
को
or
add
reset
करो,
one
इसको ऐड
value,
करोगे
You can
one
use this.
position,
So
in that
you
case you
can
need to
use
use
masking.
masking.
1 आएगा जब दोनों
Because you don't want to touch other
और वो
bits.
रिटर्न कर दो
Which are
Yes,
greater than
because
0
over here you are dropping those.
Yes, exactly.
So why we have written here one?
It should be
Two methods, right? It gets to the
में पता है क्या
same.
सारे
But if you want to touch only one bit,